Hostinger is one of the best and cheap web hosting that you can buy. But in this video, I'm gonna show you how to purchase hosting from Hostinger at more discounts. So make sure to watch the full video till the end. So the first thing you've to do is to visit the Hostinger website using the link given in the description below this video to get a discount. Now after visiting Hostinger, select the plan you want to purchase. For this video, I'm going with the shared hosting plan, which is the best choice for beginners. So you can see they have 3 shared hosting plans: single, premium, and business share hosting. So what I recommend to you is to choose their single shared hosting plan, if you only need one website. But if you want to create more than one website, then you must go for their premium shared hosting plan. With this plan, you're getting a free domain name as well. So this plan is the most popular plan from Hostinger. But if you already have a website with a lot of traffics, then a business shared hosting plan is for you. So simply choose the best plan for you. Then after selecting the plan, here you can see, you can purchase them for 1 month, 12 months, 24 months, and 48 months. And I always recommend to you is to select the 48-month plan. So if you select the longer plan, you'll get more discount. Here you can see the cheapest price of $2.59 per month is for a 48-month plan. If your budget is low, then you can go for their 24 or 12-month plan as well. Also, remember that with Hostinger you're also getting a 30 days money-back guarantee, so if you're not completely satisfied with their hosting plan, then you will get a full refund if you request within the 30 days of purchase. So without any doubt, go for the longer-term plan. Now scroll down, fill out the information. Then here select the payment option you want to use. Finally here you can see this coupon code box. Simply click on this. Then type this code here, you'll find this code in the description as well. Now when you click on this plus button, then here you can see the total price is decreased to $114.24. So without this coupon code, the price was $124.32, but after entering this coupon code, then you can see the total price is decreased to $114.24. So make sure to use the description link and coupon code to get this huge discount. So you only have to pay $114.24 for their 4 years plan. This is cool and cheap. So finally you can click on the submit button to complete the purchase, then you will get an email with login details after purchase. If you have a low budget, then you can go with their 12-month plan. So when I select 12-month here, then you can see the total price is only $66.12. But my recommendation is always to go for the longer terms plan to get more discount. Also, remember that this discount will work on their other hosting plans as well. For example, if I select their VPS hosting here, then you can see its price is $3.95 per month. So when I click on this plan, then here you can see the price has been discounted to $3.63 per month. As the coupon is applied automatically here. As you can see, the coupon is already applied. The price for their VPS is now $174.24. First, it is $189.60, but now after entering the coupon code, the price is decreased to $174.24. So in this way you can purchase the hosting from Hostinger at discount. If you still have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below. Make sure to visit Hostinger from the description link and use the coupon code to get more discounts. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with more reviews and offers videos like this. Thanks for watching.